video, we're just going to cover quickly winterizing or making ready our champion generator that we use for our camper for storage. So we're going to go ahead and do the oil change on it, since we hadn't done the oil change yet. I think it's supposed to be done after about 5 hours. We probably used it, maybe double that. But we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna make it ready for midterm storage. So first thing we did, we used some of the fuel stabilizer, shook it up, ran it for about 15-20 minutes to get it cycled through the generator. Now we're gonna go ahead and drain the fuel out of the carburetor, change the engine oil. We'll probably change the engine oil first, run it for a few more minutes, and then go ahead and drain the fuel bowl and the carburetor and get it ready so that we can have it up and running and in good shape when it comes to get it out next season for camping. We didn't use it a whole lot, but we got a killer deal on it. So this is the generator if you guys are looking for one. It's a Champion 100628 4,000 watt dual fuel generator. So this thing will run on gas or propane, and it was really awesome because we did run out of gas one night, and while we were camping down in Georgia, I believe it was, and we were able to just hook it up real quick to propane, and this thing did awesome. So it's not too loud, so it's a good generator. We got this one, I think, from Tractor Supply, and it was on sale, so I'd say about $400 or so is what we got it on sale for. If you guys are wondering about engine oil viscosity or what oil to use, the manual does say to use 10W30. I believe if it's over 30-something degrees, I'll have to look back and see, but I think once you get down into like freezing temperatures, it recommends a 5W30, but you can run a 5W30 full synthetic engine oil all year round. So that's what we're going to do with ours. We pretty much use all AMSOIL stuff here, and that's just what we went with. This stuff really wasn't that bad. I think it was like $8 or $9 a quart or something, but it should last us a while. And the next time we should have to change it is, I believe, 50 hours if we're operating under heavy load or in hot environments, and then 100 hours every 100 hours or annually. So this stuff should hold up pretty good, and it only takes like 0.6 quarts, so it's about just over half a quart. All right, so grab yourself a 12 mil socket. You're just gonna open this up and let it drain out. See if we can fill this with our funnel that's super long, so we can get some of this fluid in there. Alright guys, so one thing I do want to mention here is AMSOIL has some pretty good stuff. If you don't have a short or something that'll flex to get your engine oil back in here, you don't have to use something like this and try to make it work. So they sell these bags. These are little nozzles that you can put on. These things are awesome for like differentials and stuff like that. If you have to use a bottle, then you can get one of these. It's just a spout. The cool thing is, I'll link the part numbers to you down in the description, but these nozzles screw on to the tip of this, and then this will screw onto the bottle like this. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out really quick because I used it for some other fluid. All right, let's see if this will work. There it is. All right, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and drain the fuel out of the carburetor here. Should come out, I'm guessing, here. All right, and then we're gonna pull the spark plug and put a little bit of oil down in there. All right, guys, so for the fuel portion of it draining the carburetor, it is this bolt right here that you're gonna pull, and you're going to drain the carburetor completely out. So fuel stabilizer for the tank, run it through for about 10 minutes, drain the carburetor here. That's one option. You have two options to winterize this thing. You can run it dry completely, or you can do this method, which is keeping some fuel in the tank with stabilizer, but draining the carburetor completely, and then fogging or putting oil into the cylinder. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to catch as much of this as we can. Hopefully we can catch the majority of it just by holding this here and letting it run in there. We got the majority of it. Only a little bit that didn't get in there. All right, guys, it's going to conclude the video and how you can winterize your, or make it ready for storage, your Champion 4,000 watt propane or gas dual fuel generator. This is based off of the actual procedure in the manual. So hopefully this helped you, gave you a little bit of a visualization of what you need to do in the manual, and preserve your equipment for future use. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification so that you receive notification when we upload new content. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.